Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in the essentials. Sign into your Google account and confirm Gemini access. Then state one focused research question and 3 sub-questions to guide the session. Once done, collect 5 to 10 primary sources, PDF, links, or notes, and upload them or paste excerpts so Gemini has context. Next, craft a structured prompt that includes objective, required format, and citation style. This first actionable prompt sets the model's scope and reduces vague or off-topic replies. Once you have context in place, send a focused query that asks for synthesis, not just summary, and include the expected output format, bullet list, annotated bibliography, or draft outline. Make sure to lock in citation style and depth. Ask for short evidence snippets and page refs. If the response is too broad, follow with targeted refinement prompts that narrow scope or request comparisons. You can also lower temperature for factual accuracy or request alternative interpretations to spot contradictions. To finish, validate Gemini's outputs by checking at least 2 independent sources and confirming quotes or data points. Then export the result into your workflow, copy, download, or save as Markdown or CSV. Make sure to annotate uncertain claims and flag them for human review. If you run into problems like hallucinations, inconsistent citations, or network errors, lower the temperature, resend the explicit source list, or restart the session. That single troubleshooting step often restores accuracy and keeps your research reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.